Hey YouTube, what's going on? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can retrieve the IP address of the user and store them into your database. And first of all, I have this website currently running on my local server. So this is the website you can see. This is the e-commerce store that I am building. And in views, what you can do is you can access request metadata. Okay, so how you can how you can retrieve your metadata. So first of all, let's uh, take a variable x forward for which will we can store in which we will retrieve from meta, and into get we will type http x forward forwarded for, and next we can check if this is not none, then we can say our IP address will be this, and we can split all of our commas with split all of our commas within this list, which will be our first element. And okay, so before moving forward, let's print what is this x forwarded for. Okay, so I am refreshing this website because I am just accessing the index of my website. I mean just the index route of my website. So x forward 4, so here is nothing. So let's in here type IP address of user, and let me refresh this again, and here we are having none. Okay, so this is having none. So if this is none, then what we can do is let's make a condition. If x4 is not none, if this is not none, then we can say IP split into this. If this is none, then what we can do is IP is equal to request.meta, then we can access the remote address attribute of our metadata, and then we can store in our IP variable, and here we can print that. Okay, so let me do this again, let me refresh. So here IP address of the user is this. So to check again, let me open the ngrok, and here what I will do is http firstly I have to talk ngrok http 8000, and I'll hit enter and I will grab this URL. So I'm not gonna explain what ngrok is. I will give you just a simple explanation, which is that it creates a tunnel between your local host and the internet. So it temporarily connects your local website to the internet. So let's enter this. So our website is here running on the internet, and if we will check into the console, then we have here the remote address. Okay, so this is how you can grab the IP address of the user. Let me refresh it again. So currently this is loading. Alright, this might take some time, but in here you can grab the IP address of the user. So this is just a simple code. From here, with the help using this code, you can retrieve the IP address of the user.